Welcome back to Who's the Better Tang? I think episode 6, officially number 6. We're back here at Holiday Lanes here in Columbus, Ohio, home of America's Pro Shop TV Bowling Supply. This is where Who's the Better Tang originated, and today we're going to be competing using the RST-X2 from Rotor Grip. And yeah, here's how it works. We roll 5 shots.
We don't shoot spares.
We don't shoot spares. That's no fun on a bowling channel, right? So no spares, 5 shots, total pinfall. The guy who's leading will throw the last shot, just like the last episode. And since Mikey won last time, I guess we'll make him go first.
That one. Thought that was a 2-pin for sure.
You're gonna throw the straight ball?
Yeah. That's all I got. I'm showing these YouTubers what versatility looks like. That's right. I can play straight without a urethane ball. A little more hook than me. Not bad.
I'm not shut out yet. Alrighty. Not the fastest rack.
Yeah.
Are we ever gonna have a roll off?
X2. Maybe.
No, because I don't strike enough. Maybe we picked the wrong lane. This rack's kind of slow. Build mine pin up, 5x4 by 2.5. My standard pin up layout. And now we
Which angle makes him look taller? Down here or from up here? Oh, it's quick and forward. Uh-oh, that's why I'm playing straight.
well, throwing these nice big strong balls on the house shot.
Why I throw the straight ball?
Maybe I should throw the straight ball too.
God, I knew it off my hand too.
So bad.
It makes you feel better. I do it off your hand as well.
That doesn't make me feel better. I need to learn to just overhit it. Like, dude, we gotta start making these like 10 shots.
Snap.
10 shots might help me. Give me some more time.
Or you might lose by more.
Or I might lose by more.
I'm not brave enough to whip this release out on tour yet. House shots only. It's my X2. If you follow our TikTok, TV Morse by TikTok, you would have seen it.
TikTok, link in the description below.
TV
Maybe.
Morse Supply. Or our Instagram. Follow our Instagram. We're trying to get a little more active. Hashtag America's Pro Shop. Slower. That might strike. Yeah, it's pretty low.
No brainer. I'm down 1. Weird, I'm losing again. Please, give me a chance. Maybe we should have bowled on the other side of the house. I might have had a better chance.
I didn't use this release from the other side.
Was this shot number 4?
Yeah.
Oh baby, I can go in. This might be my first lead in 7 episodes.
Just a little too much from the finger. A little too much. I knew it right when I threw it too. I hit it too hard.
We're just that good at bowling. We know it off our hands what we're gonna leave, if it's gonna be good or bad. Usually if it's bad.
See if he can capitalize. I doubt it. Ooh, okay. So you get to the last shot.
I might win this one. I am gonna win this one. Speak it into existence. It happens twice. Once in your head and once in reality. It's already happened in my head. It's my first victory on the channel. Doesn't matter what he does here.
I feel like it's extra slow when I'm up.
I don't think it is. Well, the last one was pretty quick. No, for me. Nice shot. How does it feel to not have it after 4.5 shots?
You caught me on an off day.
Different, huh? It's a different feeling.
I actually threw a bad shot. You're lucky.
You threw one bad, I threw one bad.
So I just got unlucky.
Or I got lucky.
Yeah. How did the 8-pin not stand? For the win! I can strike.
Yes! Finally! That's Dude Brown, Pro Shop operator, TV bowling supply. Come by and see the man if you want to get ball drilled. Because Mike and Chris aren't here all the time. Anyways, shout out Rotor Grip. Brand new release.
Is this your new favorite ball now?
RST-X2. It might have to be since I finally beat you on the channel. We're now what, 5-1? 5.5-1? I told you guys I'd win eventually on my own channel. I'm coming. Streaking. We're on a 1 streak. Anyways, check out TV Bowling Supply. If you subscribe to me on Twitch, you get 10% off your Pro Shop. Link in the description below. Click all the links, join all the stuff. Keep up to date with what we're doing, what I'm doing, what Mikey's doing. And Chris isn't in the video, but he's in the Pro Shop actually working right now.
Right there.
You don't actually see him. But one more shot for the road. Okay, edit that one out.
See, that's what mine should have done when I did. Mine leaves a 10.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, if you love this series, make sure you hit the like button. Like the video. We'll keep pumping out more.